Excuse me, sir, you got a card? You have a card?
Recording or what?
Yeah. I just have some people that they like to know about different small businesses around town.
Oh,
All right. And what was your name, sir?
Freddie?
Freddie?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you need?
My name is Andre.
Yeah.
Yeah, I live in this street right here.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah, I live right here.
Oh, okay.
And like I said, I just have a bunch of people on Facebook and YouTube, and they're always trying to get a good deal and good service. And so I'll keep your card in handy, and I'll let them know about it. And I guess I'll give you a call later about any of your prices.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a great day. How much do you charge for the TV wall mounting?
You need to call for the office.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you a call.
Just call.
Okay, no problem.